Namaste. I, JVN Dr. Juhi Singh, Assistant Professor at Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur, Department of Pharmaceutical, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Sciences. So, in the last lecture, we have already started the terratenoids, and continuing that topic. Now we continue that the topic is marijuana, which was left in the last class. So marijuana or cannabis is also called industrial hemp and plant of the family is Cannabinae, is a psychoactive drug from the cannabis plant used for the medicinal and recreational purpose. Main psychoactive part of the cannabis is the tetrahydrocannabinoid. The active ingredient of the marijuana is 8 to 9 tetrahydrocannabinol, which is fat soluble, courses that placenta easily and crosses the placenta easily and may be persist in the fetus for the last 30 days. Right? Growth retardations, malformation are reported after the marijuana use during the pregnancy, especially in the first trimester. Okay. Then we come to forward. However, the other potential tetragenic drugs are often used by the women who smoke marijuana. Increased risk of non-lymphoblastic leukemia has been reported. Okay. Then cocaine. Cocaine is strong stimulant, mostly used as a recreational drug and alkaloidal ester. A recreational drug and alkaloidal ester extracted from the leaves of the plant, including cocoa plant. Cocaine is metabolized very slowly in the fetus because of the fetus has no plasma cholesterol activity. Cocaine blocks the presynaptic reuptake of the neurotransmitter at the nerve terminalis, which result in increased level of norepinephrine and dopamine. It may alter the availability and utilization of calcium and reduce the blood flow from the uterus to the placenta. Cocaine expose the fetus also have increased in the incidences of prematurity, microcephaly and sudden infant death. Next is ergotamine. Ergotamine is a natural alkaloids of ergot that causes smooth muscle contraction, and the contraction effect of ergotamine of fetal blood vessels may be responsible for IUGR and jejunal atresia. No adverse effect on the pregnancy was found in the women who took the ergotamine for the treatment of migraine. Fenugreek is an old medicinal plant from the Papilionaceae family. Fenugreek seed contains simple alkaloids consisting mainly of trioxanine up to 0.13%, choline 0.05%, and xanthine and carpane. Pregnant women should be very careful when taking both fenugreek seed, which are traditionally unrecommended for increased milk production in nursing women, widely used during the pregnancy. Thus, proper knowledge should be about tetragenicity of the fenugreek. Asparagus ramusus methionolic extract can cause gross malformation in fetus, can increase the rate of reabsorption in the fetus, and may also cause the intrauterine growth. Okay. Melas domestica apple seed, Prunus cricaceus, cherry seeds have the cryogenic glycosides that the fetal to even death. Solanum tuberosum, potato. Solanum melonia, eggplant. Lycopersicum aculeatum, tomato contain solidins and spirulines that are suspected tetrogens that are present in the edible plant. But apart from the of Greek tuber that develop due to the exposure of sunlight during the development contain glycoalkaloid solanine that can cause nervous disturbances apart from the other toxin that is cocaine. List of a few, there's a few plant which tremendous medicinal value or with other important uses that known as suspected petrogen. Just example of astragalus. Astragalus used in the herbal medicine and also in traditional Chinese and Persian medicine. Colchicum augenale, which is used in the medicinal and cancer treatment. Datura strontium, used for asthma treatment due to the presence of atropine. Indica spicta, used as analgesics and anti-inflammatory drug. Next is Vinca rosea, contain vinblastine and vincristine, used for the chemotherapy. Sargam, used for the fodder and biofuels. Veretum, used in cancer treatment but contains cycopholamine and tetrogens. Genera, that contains the biocides and form the alkaloids. Luciferase, food and health related uses. Lucipinus, food and health related uses. This is lucipinus. So these are some suspected tetrogens which has some medicinal value. Next is natural allergens. Natural allergens, the immunological reaction to the allergen seen in a patient with a defective immune system is called the allergy. The group of substances that cause allergic manifestation called the allergen. Allergies are abnormal immune system reaction to things that is typically harmless to the most people. When you are allergic to something, your immune system mistakenly believes that these substances are very harmful to the body. Substances that cause allergic reactions such as certain food, dust, plant, pollen grain, medicines are known as allergens. In an attempt to protect the body, the immune system produces IgE antibodies to the allergens. Those antibodies that cause certain cells in the body to release chemicals into the bloodstream such as histamine. Right? This is natural allergen. Allergic reaction can be mild, like running nose, that can serve like difficulty in breathing and asthma attacks. Some type of the allergies produce multiple symptoms. And rare cases, an allergic reaction can become very severe. This severe reaction can call the anaphylaxis. Some of the signs of anaphylaxis are difficulty in breathing, difficulty in swallowing, swelling of the lips, tongue, throat, other part of the body, and dizziness or loss of the consciousness. Anaphylaxis usually occur minute after exposure to a triggering the substances such as peanut. The tendency to develop allergies is often hereditary, which means it can be passed down through your genes. Okay. Then come into some other allergens, common allergens like food. Food allergies are more common and most common. Mainly simply cause annoying symptoms like itchy, rashes, stuffy nose, diarrhea. Food that people are more commonly allergic to the milk and other dairy products, eggs, wheat, soya, peanuts and seafoods. Insect bites and stings, the venoms in the insect bites and stings cause an allergic reaction in the many people. So next is airborne particles. They are often environmental allergens and they are the most common allergens. Some Some example of the airborne particles that can cause the allergies in people are the dust mites, tiny bugs that live in the house dust, molds, mold spores, animal dandruff, flakes, scaly, dried skin and dried saliva from your pet, and the pollen gray from the grass, redweed in trees. Medicine and antibodies, medications used to treat the infection. Many other medicine including over-the-counter medications, chemicals, some cosmetics and laundry detergents and can cause the people to break out in itchy rashes, house dyes, household cleaners, pesticides used on lawn and on plant can also cause the allergic reaction in some people. This is some common allergens. Next is arnica. Common name is arnica, mountain tobacco. Wolf Bane botanical name is Arnica montana. Family is Asteraceae, compositive family. Description: it is the yellow flowered aromatic herbaceae perennial which tend to grow in the meadow and light woodland. The stem is hard, hairy leaves in basals. In the basal, rosety, the flower in the early summer. Rosety is a rosety. It's a flower in the early summer. Uses: it is a major source of tincture of arnica, which is still frequently applied on the sprain, bruises and wounds. All the evidence of being helpful for the limited. Other species uses the tincture of arnica include Longifolia, Arnica casmonoides and Arnica sacchariensis. Allergens: sesquiterpenes, sesquiterpenes, lactones, Helenalis, Hinalinus, Carabones, 10 acetoxy, 8-9 epoxy thymolabutyrate. Allergy of arnica has recognized for the several centuries of over 100 cases reported in the literature. Most cases appear to be from self-treated with the tincture of arnica. Arnica contain a group of chemicals called the sesquiterpenes, lactone, notably in the Helenis and its ester. Blackwood, common name Australian blackwood, wattle of acacia, botanical name Acacia melatoxylon, family Leguminosae. Description: an evergreen wattle with the dense foliage, ball of green flower, twisted pods, height 820 meter. Uses: gum arabic derived from acacia, is used in the printing trades and as binding agents in the making of some medication because of its excellent timber properties. Blackwood is used in making the furniture, boards, musical instruments, etc. Allergens and allergens appear to be 2 to 6 dimethoxy, 1 to 4 benzoquinones, acanemelin, and milacadexin. Allergy and dermatitis have been reported after contact with both wood and gum. Arabic sawdust is a problem, particularly in the furniture maker. Hay fever, rhinitis, conjunctivitis, and other respiratory problem. Area of license increasing in the concern. Purulane lily, common name is Purulane lily. Lily is the Incas Saint Martin flower. Botanical name is Aristomeria, family Amorillandaceae. Description: a herbaceous perennial with the fleshy tuberous root. They have twisted lanceolate leaves, irregularly trumpet-shaped flower which are borne on the shoulder leafy stem. Uses flower buckets, ornamental or cut flower, allergens, tulipocyte A, the biosynthetic precursor of the allergen lactone. Tulipane A has been detected in the many species of Aristomeritria and Bornea myrrh. Alpha methylene gamma butylactone allergy. Fingertip allergic contained dermatitis is caused by contact with recently damaged plant and bulb and give the rise to condition known as tulip finger. Typically, patient are the florist who present with the red, thickened and split tender fingertip of both hands. Airborne contact dermatitis has been reported. They can reflect sesquiterpene lactone sensitivity. Asparagus, common name asparagus, botanical name is Asparagus officinalis. Family, it belongs to the family Liliaceae. Description, a perennial plant produces separate male and female plant of 20 years or more. The undergrown portion of the plant consists of the stem from which the edible spears grown upward. Each spring, the male plant yields the best spear. Asparagus contain asparagine, conferrin, the glucoside valine. The allergens, however, appear to be the 1,2,3-triethylene, 5-carboxylic acid, and sulfur containing growth inhibitor, which appear to be the present mainly in the early phase of the growth season. Allergy to asparagus is well recognized in Germany, particularly most amongst pickers. Young should appear to be the most allergenic. It is usually cause the finger dermatitis. This includes contact urticaria, conjunctivitis, rhinitis, and asthma. Chamomile, common name sweet chamomile, German chamomile, botanical name Atheranus nobilis, Chrysanthemum nobilis, family Compositae and Asteraceae family. Description is 20 into 40 centimeter, ultra hardy with the finger finally putting the pungent leaves, daisy like white flower and early midsummer. So that is all about this topic. Thank you. Namaste. If you have any query, just comment.